Alright, this is a quick video on Gable roof lines, and it's directed mostly at Home Designer Pro and architectural users. But maybe some chief users will pick up a tip or two here too. So I've got just a really simple structure drawn. It's got an auto-built roof. Gable roof lines only work with auto-built roofs. And what I want to do is, I've got a gable on this end. What I want to do is duplicate it over on this wall right here using a gable roof line. And so gable roof lines, I've got a little demo over here set up. Gable roof line right there. It goes from baseline to baseline. So if you want the distance between your baselines to be 10 feet, then the distance between this line and this line is going to be 10 feet. You can open up your gable roof line, look at the line, and it's set at 10 feet. Now let's say you look at the elevation, you look at the overview, and you think you want it bigger or smaller. Just lock the center, come in here and change this. We'll make it 8 feet, and then it resizes automatically. I'm going to undo that. These, they have some distance. I thought I'd read that it was like 2 feet from a wall, but it seems like that's maybe changed. If you get it out far enough, it's going to not work. So basically what I was getting at is my default overhang here is 18 inches. And so you see you've got 18 inches here between this baseline and where the gable connects to the roof over here. So over here I've just drawn a couple of CAD lines. This one just picks up the center of this ridge. That's just to verify that the center is correct over here. And then this line and this line just pick up the outside edge of the roof planes, again just as a check. And here I've got 190 inches and 190 inches. So with so here I'm just going to draw between these two lines, and that puts my gable there, but it's the wrong size. So I'm going to come back in here, make sure center point's selected, and just subtract 36 inches from this, and that gets me right where I want to be. Now I'm going to delete this. And with Chief, this is easy to do with just breaking this wall. So I'm going to click the break tool up here, and then I'm going to pick up this main layer corner right here, come across, put a break there. I'm going to do the same thing, pick up this inside corner, come across, put a break, and then make this a gable wall. And you can see everything lines up just like it should. With Pro, I'm going to undo a couple of things. With Pro and the other Home Designer products, you can't pick up that. There's no snap right there. So what you've got to do is draw a CAD line. So you can pick up this. You can pick up this baseline really easy on this side here. Draw it across. And then you can put a break right there if you want to, or you can draw your gable roof line across. Do the same thing. Draw this line, same thing over here. One quick other thing. Just to just to say, you can also change the overhang. You can't reduce it, but you can increase it. So if you wanted a little more, that'll give your that'll bring your gable roof out some. And let's see, I'll put a window over here. You can also select a window, and there's this tool right here, gable over door or window. You can click that, and I'll just click OK. And all that does is create a gable roof line. And see, that one's got to be close for some reason. I don't know why. I don't know why one that's drawn manually. Doesn't need to be. Let's see if I can put this at 24 inches. Nope, nothing. So it has to be, looks like it's got to be 18 inches or closer. But again, you can open this gable roof line up and just change it. Lock the center. Make it 100 inches, and it changes. If you delete the window, it's going to go away. Well, it doesn't go away. Maybe because I changed it. I'll put the window back. Say OK. So now I'm going to delete the window, and the gable roof line goes away. So I'm going to undo, and I'm going to make it 57 inches instead of 56. Delete the window, and it stays. So it looks like a lot of things in Chief. If you modify something, then you get control of it, and Chief leaves it alone.